Hello, my name is Edward. I'm from Hong Kong. Our company is called Microtech Technology Company. We are focused on LCD display with solutions. You see, our product is like LCD from small size to big size and come with the solution. You see, we have the board for the LCD display. So if you need the LCD with the board and the solution, we can provide customer make for your use. Yeah, and we have a board from ARM board and Intel board, and all come with the solution. So we can help customer to do the board with the MCU solution or OS solution. If you need LCD and the board, you can come to me and check with our website. We can provide you the technical solution and technical support. Please check with us website. Thank you.